Decided to have pasta this Sunday, and then this is a bottle of wine from Georgia, the country, not the state, that Vaughn picked up from VABC last month. I think last month. And that is so pretty, so we can use it for like a vase or just some art after we're done with the wine. It's like semi-sweet wine. This is kind of a nice area. So we've checked into the Sheraton, what is it, Norfolk Waterside. The day is finally here after, well, almost here, after almost 2 years of planning. We're gonna go on my birthday cruise tomorrow on the Sunshine, Carnival Sunshine, out of Norfolk. And this is a nice shaded area because it's really hot today and humid. It still feels very much like summer. Today is September 19th and it's about 4 p.m. So there's the Nauticus in view, and hopefully we will see our ship docked. It should be docked by now, I think, and that's what we're going to see now. So this is where we'll be coming back tomorrow. We have the Hampton Roads Naval Museum and Nauticus. The little birdies went night-night. How adorable. I wonder why it's so shallow there, what that's for. So here is our room at the Sheraton Waterside, Norfolk. They have, there's the bathroom. We have a closet over here. And my outfit of the day, this little dress I got from Shein. I meant to change my dress, but I forgot. So this is what I wore to the Blue Moon Cafe. And then this is the disaster that I made when I needed to find socks. And I took everything out of my luggage and threw it everywhere because of course my socks were buried in the bottom of everything. So I need to repack that. There's our little carry-on bags. One of the bags that I emptied. Vaughn's bag, and then behind here there's my gorgeous luggage that I got a couple years, no, not a couple years ago, like last winter, I think. And this room actually has a balcony overlooking, what is this, the bay, I guess? Ow, I hit myself. Oh yeah, there's a boat. Oh, it's like, what kind of boat is that? It has the little,
I think it's one of those river...
like a river boat?
A ferry boat.
How cute is that? Oh yeah, just a ferry boat, I guess, with that little thing that spins on the back. But you can see the battleships or whatever over there. Really cool view. And this balcony, except it doesn't have any chairs, so that's kind of odd. But anyway, pretty cool view. So now I need to repack everything. So this is gonna be more of a repack with me video. So I got this little snorkel kit here from Dollar General, and this is like the mouthpiece. So, and I tried it and it actually works, like this actually seals well. So I got that. This is a big bottle of Downy Wrinkle Release. So that's kind of annoying how large that is, but we're gonna try to make that work. And then I got this outfit from Sensations last year, and this comes with matching pants, so that's one of my outfits. It's a fun print dress I got from Roses. This jacket that I'm going to wear over like my evening wear. This fun top that I got from Gabe's last year. Like a really long cover up that's like that gauzy fabric, and I got this from Gabe's. Also got that from Gabe's last year. Pair of beautiful sparkly heels. I just got those from Goodwill. No, not Goodwill. Upper Room Ministries, Upper Room Thrift Store. An old pair of water shoes for the beach. A little dress from Shein. A Stitch hoodie. This beautiful skirt, I got this from Gabe's. It looks kind of like fall, but also kind of like boho. And then I'm gonna wear this little top with it. Towel, I love this kind of hair towel. They're just so convenient. And it keeps my hair from like running, dripping all down my back, so I like to use my own towel. This cool dress from Shein. Another top from Shein, and then I'm gonna wear that with this little skirt that I thrifted. A Stitch shirt that I got from Family Dollar. This fun skirt with like bananas and buildings and all of that, I got this from, I think, Ross. And this is like my bag that I'm going to carry like on excursions and things like that. I have hair clips hanging off of this. This has so much stuff in it. I thrifted this. This is for my passport and my money and all of that. I have my little Osmo Pocket 2. Hopefully I'll do a lot of filming with that. I have a little like selfie stick tripod in here. I have various, I think I have a couple watches. I have my little Barbie cell phone in here. This is US Cellular. Hopefully this is actually going to work in Puerto Rico. It said it works in Puerto Rico. I have, a little cozy for drinks, hand sanitizer, my ring that I was recently gifted. It's like a smart ring. I have deodorant. I have Hello Summer little notebook, wet wipes container. I love these little pouches for receipts. I just got that like a week or so ago. A nice big mirror for doing my makeup. The little sticky thing for my phone so I can do videos. This is another phone thing that you like attach to your phone and you can clip it anywhere. My second cell phone. This one has like a terabyte of storage. So I'm gonna do hopefully a lot of filming on that. My sterling jewelry, so I can keep that on me. Powder, definitely gonna need that. And then a car key and lip balm. And then I have my makeup in here. I tried to streamline my makeup. I have toothbrushes, my favorite eyeliner, and all of that in this cute little pouch. And this comes with our little carry-ons that we're using, and it kind of matches that really well. This little, like, I use this under my eyes so my mascara won't run. Oh, and this, I got this thrifting, and it says I Heart Cruising, so that was perfect. And I just have little things in here, like my cuticle clippers, and I have sanitizing wipes, blotting papers. I have pins in here, just safety pins and all kinds of little odds and ends like that that I might need. Another pack of wipes. Bunch of little hair ties. I got those in the Dollar Tree today because I forgot to bring mine. Cute little hair clip that's blue with pearls. Looks kind of like sea themed. Oh, and I brought this. It's one of those like Stanley carrying bags in case I buy one on the ship. I'm thinking of buying one. And then my shoes, they're pink, and I'm gonna wear them with all of my evening gowns because I brought more than one evening gown. There's only like 2 formal nights, but these will go good enough with everything, I think. And I didn't want to keep bringing just tons of shoes because it takes up so much space. Recently thrifted this little Samsonite bag for my G7X, and it holds the camera and then like the charger and the batteries and everything perfectly. So that was a cool little purchase, and then I can just put this over me. But I have plenty of different cameras too, so many cameras. Oh, my hair clip. I was supposed to wear that tonight to go with my dress. Little blue like hibiscus hair clip. Oh, my sandals. I brought those to wear tonight. I don't even need those, I don't think, now. I got these pouches from Dollar Tree last year, and I just have some odds and ends in here, like makeup, my electric razor, hair gel, just like last minute stuff. And I thrifted this, and I thought this was the perfect cruise tote. I got that last year. Eat, drink, repeat. I thought that was so funny. I have all kinds of stuff hanging off of this bag, as you can see. Little Stitch themed pouches for my sunglasses, a hat, a little Stitch. I think this has like hair clips in it. This has a reusable straw in it. I have all of my toiletries in this big Juicy Couture bag. And then in here is this case for my Canon Rebel T3i, and it has like the extended lens, so we can take all kinds of cool pictures of things like the skyline. That'd be great for our balcony right here even, but we decided that was worth bringing. Oh, and then we went to the Dollar Tree, and I took some little baggies out for, you can use them for anything, snacks or whatever. It's good to have a few handfuls of those with you. The outfit that I'm going to bring in my carry-on in case my luggage is lost, my little Stitch shorts that I got from Walmart. And then for my birthday, it says my birthday cruise 2025. I kind of wish this was a brighter color, but I think this is fun, and I got this from Shein. Finally relaxing a little bit and enjoying the view. I see the buildings from over there. Not, I can't see the water, but I can see the buildings, and it's kind of the golden hour now. It's nice to just sit here and relax. I got some books from the Dollar Tree. This is Burn After Reading. It was originally at Target, and it's kind of like a journal prompt book. Then we have The Extremely Busy Woman's Guide to Self-Care, And the 6-phase meditation method, I'm deciding if I want to bring all of these on the cruise or not, because books are heavy and I'm not sure if I want to bring them. But we are going to be gone for, like, I think it's an 8-day cruise, so I do want to be occupied, and I'm not going to have the internet or anything like that, so we can just tune out from the internet. I think that's going to be lovely because I haven't done that in years.